Hey guys, so Umidigi has announced the G3 Max. In this video, we will talk about its top specs and features as well as its expected price. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's quickly dig into it. So the G3 Max is a budget smartphone with a premium leather feel design that comes in 3 colors, including premium orange, midnight blue, and Iceland blue. It runs on the latest version of Android, the Android 13, and features a side fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock for secure and convenient unlocking. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T606 SoC, which is an entry-level octa-core SoC with 2 big ARM Cortex-A75 cores and 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.6 GHz respectively. It also comes with the ARM Mali G57 GPU with a clock speed of 650 MHz for graphics processing. This is paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.1 storage, which can be expanded up to 256 GB. The device features a 5150 mAh battery, which should provide decent battery life, but the 10 watts charging is on the slower side, and also the device doesn't support wireless charging. The device boasts a 6.6-inch TFT capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of Full HD Plus and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The touch sampling rate is 180 Hz, which should provide smooth and responsive touch feedback. In terms of cameras, the Umidigi G3 Max features dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth camera, which should provide decent quality photos. On the front, it has an 8MP camera for selfies and video calls. Other features of the G3 Max includes Bluetooth 5.0, a 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, satellite positioning, etc. So these are the top features and specs of the G3 Max. In my opinion, the G3 Max appears to be a decent budget phone with a premium feel, respectable specs, and a decent camera setup. However, the slow charging speed and lack of wireless charging may be a downside for many users. And in terms of price, I expect this device to cost about $170 to $200. Anything more than $200 is overpriced in my opinion, because there are tons of really cool devices out there that cost $200 and less and offer better specs and features. An example is the Redmi Note 12 series. The Redmi Note 12 features far superior specs than the Umidigi G3 Max, and it costs just $200, even less than that. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Umidigi G3 Max, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.